We've all been there, stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire, a dead battery, or something even worse. But what if you had everything you needed to get back on the road, right there in your trunk? Today, we're going over the top 5 roadside emergency kits that can help you tackle unexpected breakdowns with ease. Stay tuned as we break down the features of each kit and show you how to stay safe on the road. First up is the EVERLIT 250-piece roadside emergency kit. This all-in-one kit is packed with essential tools, including a high-powered air compressor, heavy-duty jumper cables, and even a 68-piece first aid kit. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire or a small injury, this kit has you covered. This kit is especially useful because of its portable air compressor, perfect for quickly inflating your tires and getting you back on the road in no time. Plus, the reflective safety vest and emergency blanket ensure you stay visible and warm in any condition. Ready to feel more secure on the road? Click the link in the description to check out the EVERLIT 250-piece emergency kit. Next, we have the Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit, a compact and lightweight option that still packs a punch. Inside, you'll find essential tools like jumper cables, a tire pressure gauge, and a durable multi-tool for basic car repairs. It's the perfect kit for everyday drivers who want to be prepared without sacrificing trunk space. Need a quick tire check? The included tire pressure gauge will ensure your tires are ready for the road. And if your battery dies, the high-quality jumper cables will help you get moving again. Don't wait for an emergency to happen. Click the link below to grab the Roadside Assistance and Emergency Kit. Third on our list is the Adakiit Roadside Emergency Assistance Kit, designed for drivers who want to be prepared for just about anything. This kit includes a seatbelt cutter and window breaker for emergencies, as well as a flashlight with multiple light modes for increased visibility. One standout feature is the powerful multifunctional flashlight that works as a warning light, flashlight, and even a power bank for your phone. It's a kit that keeps you safe, visible, and connected in any roadside emergency. Be prepared for any situation. Click the link below to get the Adakiit Roadside Emergency Kit. The first secure 90-piece roadside emergency kit is our fourth pick. This kit includes heavy-duty tools like a tow rope, air compressor, and first aid kit, giving you everything you need to stay safe and get moving again. The high-strength tow rope is great for pulling your vehicle to safety, and the compact air compressor is ideal for inflating flat tires quickly. This kit truly covers all the bases. If you want a kit that's built to handle tough roadside situations, click the link in the description to learn more about the first secure roadside kit. Last but not least, the HAIPHAIK Roadside Emergency Toolkit. This versatile kit includes all the basics like jumper cables and a tire repair kit, as well as bonus tools like a survival whistle, multifunction shovel, and a raincoat. It's the perfect option for drivers who love to be over-prepared. The multifunction shovel and survival whistle are ideal for off-road adventures or harsh weather conditions. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to store in your car for whenever you need it. Be ready for anything. Click the link below to check out the HAIPHAIK Roadside Emergency Toolkit. There you have it, our top 5 roadside emergency kits that can help you handle whatever the road throws at you. Whether you're looking for a comprehensive kit with advanced tools or something compact for everyday use, each of these options will give you peace of mind and help you stay prepared. Remember, it's not a matter of if, but when you'll need these tools. So, click the links in the description to pick the kit that's right for you and stay safe on the road. Thanks for watching.